could have sworn that her name was Veronica. Well, she used to have a carefree mind of her own and a delicate look in her eye. These days I'm afraid she's not even sure if her name is Veronica. Do you suppose the waves in hands are eyes Veronica can't hide all the time she laughs and moans and shouts her name and Stephen goes Veronica, Veronica. Days drag by and the favors wane. He roamed down the town all the while. Will you wake from your dream with a wolf at the door, reaching out for Veronica? Well, it was all 65 years ago when the